Assalamualaikum guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select and copy the text from your screen in Windows 11 like this. Well, to do this, all you need to do is press the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S and the snipping tool will come up and you have to select this option right here, text extractor. Now select the area you want to copy and the text in this area will be copied. And the second option is quite simple as well. All you need to do is press Windows plus Shift plus T, select the area and the text in this area will be copied. You can see the copied text in any search bar like this or any notepad. All you need to do is just press Windows plus V. Here, select the copy text and it will be pasted. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.